Hello community, I hope you are doing good. This is the fifth exercise of Odoo website development. In this discussion I am not going to show you the solution, but I am giving you the one small exercise. Okay, the solution it's already available in the Weblearns channel, but it's only for the accessible by the members only. After 1 month I will publish that solution, so make sure you will do the exercise without watching that solution. Okay, there is one more question, right? Which Odoo version you are using? So right now I'm using Odoo 18 latest version, but maybe in the future, let's say after 3 to 4 months, the Odoo 19 also launched, right? Or let's say the past version right now you are working, so same functionality available. I mean the feature is available in lower version as well as in the latest version. Here you have to take care is, like, let's say the template ID is changed, right? Obviously the XPath also changed. Let's say the route also sometimes change. So that is depends on the Odoo version. So you have to take care about that part. But yes, like let's say if you are using Odoo 18 only, then you don't need to worry about the major changes. Okay. So yes, so what is the main goal here, right? So let me duplicate tab. I'm going to the home screen. You can see I'm logged in as an admin user, right? So there is a 3 different users available. The first one is the internal user. So internal user can access this Odoo, right? So basically this is the backend Odoo. The second is the portal user, right? So here they have only access of this portal, but they don't have this backend Odoo access. Okay. And third one is the non-logged in user. So if I'm logged out from here, then that automatically switch to the public user in Odoo terminology. So you have to understand these 3 things. Now here, the non-logged in user, we have to do some restriction. Okay. So let's say the shop page should be only accessible by the logged in user. Okay. Let's say this would be so here. But let's say if this is the non-logged in user, then we have to display here 404. Okay. But let's say if that person logged in either in the portal user or the internal user, so that means we have to access this controller, I mean the shop page. Okay. Another thing is you have to hide the price. This one in the list view you can see here. In the search view, let's say desk. You can see here, right, this desk, the search view. In the search view, you can see the price also. Plus, you have to also disable this add to cart icon, the option. If I'm going to the form, right, particularly the page, right here. So here you have to hide this add to cart, this feature, including this quantity update portion plus this pricing. Not only here, but in the cart level also. Here. Okay. So here you can see this is the cart. We have like this quantity update, right? This one would be also hide. The prices also would be hide. The summaries also would be hide. So this would be the configurable. Here the question is, let's say you are working with the multi-company, right? So what is the best way? So there is one best way is you can go to the website. In the configuration, in the settings, here you can see I'm using here with this demo data, right? In this dummy database, I'm having like 2 databases. So this is according to the specific website only restriction. Okay. So let's say I'm choosing the first one. You have to add 3 basically checkpoints. You can add here one global, let's say the settings, right? And you can restrict product prices, restrict card, and restrict subpage for non-logged in user. So that means it's a public user. Okay. So let's say I already have one. You can see this one, right? Let me scroll here. Okay. So this is like you can see I'm non-logged in user. See, you can see here the sign in page, right? Here. Let's say if I click to the shop page, I can see here price, add to cart detail, right? Let's say I'm adding here proceed, right? You can see here this is my cart summary. This is my cart summary and this is my cart detail. If I go back to this, let's say the shop page, right? Let me open this one. So you can see here the price is also available here, the card is also here, right? Now what I will do is I'm trying to add configurable in the website. So you can see the first thing is I'm trying to restrict this shop page. Okay, so let's save. It's done, and now you can see here it's already checked, right? And once I'm trying to click to the shop page, boom, you see the 404 message is available here. You can also render here a different template. Let's say you have to log in first or something like that, but I have added here 404 error message. Now let's say if I will untick this one, save, so that means I'm giving the permission, right? Here if you refresh the screen, now you can see here this is accessible again, right? Here you can see the price is displayed, right? So if I'm going to here and restrict the price, okay, so once I will refresh the screen, you see the price is hidden. Also price also hidden from website specific product page. See, there is no price available here. If I'm going to here in the cart level, in the cart the summary is totally not available, plus the price is also not available here. Only available is this cart plus minus quantity you want to order, but still you cannot order further until unless you have to log in. Okay, here there is a one more restriction is that the cart, right? Once I will click to save, so now you can see the user completely restricted. So if I'm going to here click to shop page, you see the card option is also hidden, right? If I'm going to here, the card also invisible here. I mean it's a restricted, it's not visible here. Plus it's not visible that card option here as well, right? So this is the, let's say, exercise you have to perform, right? So if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session. And guys, if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblearns channel. Under the home screen, you can see Odoo 17 and 18 development tutorial. Right now this is the main playlist, and those are the topic wise sub playlist available here, right? You have to focus only the first one, this one. It will have like almost all the topics covered. For the older version, you can visit this playlist, okay? And also the older topics, subtopics also available here. You can also review in case you need to review the older version, right? And here this is the members only, let's say, sessions available. Right now I'm looking for a more fund to hire a one specific good developer, so that developer always in a day one or two at least new Odoo related and other technology related sessions launch freely available. So that's why I'm just using the membership options available here. And by the way, this is the solution, but I didn't publish as of now because what happened is today you can see this exercise and you are directly watching the solution, right? So this is the first case. I'm just using the members only videos. So, and guys, yes, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot. Plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. And thank you for watching this session.